man. In the pen, we put
Hey, CJ, man.
Get your ass over
Dog,
here.
he's got a posse.
What up,
Chill,
dog?
CJ, it's cool, it's all good.
You gotta love your hood like you love your homies. It's always been that way, and ain't nothing ever gonna change. I done seen it all. What up, CJ?
What's up? Yeah, I'm glad to see things back the way they used to be.
Nah, it ain't like it was, but it's gonna be. We still gotta get everybody in the hood back together. I was just telling these cats what's important. We gotta let everybody know Grover's back on the map.
Hold up, don't you think we ought to take it easy?
What?
You know I got other things in mind. Commitments I made.
Can y'all step outside for a minute? I need to talk to him. If you don't get this shit together, what you think this place is gonna look like? You always did real good leaving jobs half finished.
That's cold, sweet.
Man, we can't take care of this from no bitch-ass rapper's mansion.
Look, the world's bigger than this hood.
This is where our lives begin and where it's probably gonna end. And don't forget where you came from, Mr. Uppity-ass nigga.
Now that ain't fair.
Oh. Somebody just crossed out all the writing on the wall, disrespected your hood, and you act like you don't give a fuck. That ain't fair.
Okay. Have it your way. Come on. So you got a plan?
Yeah, I got a plan. We gonna roll in the baller's hood and take it back for the Grove.
Okay, let's get those motherfuckers.
Let's go, CJ.
Give me the proper, man.
Hit him hard, CJ.
G's up.
Busted think he tough.
I need to get dealt with.
Put some cover up on me. Watch my back.
Come on, man, keep up. You want some?
I'm about to just.
This all you giving me?
Me and him head up. Back. I'm
This it?
Busy, CJ.
Come on, man, keep up. That's mine. Hey, what you waiting around for? Oh! Hey, over here, come on, keep up. Hey, show them more about what the family is. Come on, man, I thought we was banging. Hey, dude, keep up. Hey, what you waiting around for? Ah! Come on, man, keep up.
You wanna say something?
I'm making a break for it. That's going in my retirement. I'm a motherfucking baller OG. Hey, over here, come on, keep up. I'm gonna take him.
Come on, man, keep up. Hey, come on, man, I thought we was banging.
Back off.
Come on, boy.
Keep a bit of that, Jay.
Oh! Hey, over here, come on, keep up. Fool. Come on, man, keep up. Send them ducats over here. Hey, over here, come on, keep up. Look at them fools. Come on, man, keep up. Hey, over here, come on, keep up.
She just keep ringing.
Hey, pay a nigga.
Ghost Sheet Families is back. Let's go who ride on these ballers.
Road rage is.
You in my space.
Little sneaky bitch.
I'm going after this piece of puke.
Nobody does that to Grove Street.
I know you didn't roll.
You didn't move from this side. Might make it right now.
I could use some backup.
This is on now.
Take it like a woman. I can get this done. Get a move on. Now you blocked.
Come on, man, keep up. Hey, over here, come on, keep up. Go get that fool. Oh. Hey, dude, keep up. What you say to me? Hey, give me that paper. Hey, what you waiting around for?
You want to see?
This all you giving me? Oh,
CJ.
come on, man, keep up. Show me more about this family. Hey, over here, come on, keep up. This it? Come on, man, keep up. Hey, come on, man, I thought we was banging. Oh! Hey, over here, come on, keep up. Hey, dude, keep up. Keep
We did it, CJ. Let's bail back to Grove Street.
What's that? Hey, what you waiting around for?
Work for your hood, like...
Move that fucker! Thanks, homie. We straight. Hey, watch it, homie.
Yep, Grove Street family handle those ballers.
Johnson boys rolled right over 'em.
Okay, dog, I'm gonna get some sleep. I'm beat. Here, I took this from one of those baller fools. Probably drug money. Here's your half.
Oh, good looking, homie. Oh, yeah, homie.
Homie.
Hey, baby, you know
Mr. Whoopi Truck.
not yet, man.
Stay low, fool.
Give me some dap, homie.
My birthday, we should have nation.
You smell bad. Piss the shit. Sup?
You two-bit backstabbing piece of eggplant shit.
Salvatore, nice to hear from you too.
You're dead. Your friends are dead. Your family's dead. I'm gonna fuck you up and your children and your grandchildren.
Well, it's been nice talking to you, but I got some money that needs spending on some expensive trash, so if you excuse me.
You're dead.
I'm a rusty brown
Dead.
donut eating gangster. Coke, chronic, steroids, I'll take it. I'll see you a couple more times. You know me. In the pen, we... Not exactly premium liquor, is it? She look like she working.
Underwear is overrated, man.
I just smoked
What
all
is
the
this
time.
shit you're drinking?
Big.
Catalina, is that you again?
I'm on the way up, man, with regular clients like you, dog.